Eja mere fi gifty anti mami yenko Easter so betra fi ono so ha ono so eboa ma in terms of social media niama etia to ye edia man say do adamu analytical say do adamu wanya transit da papa yi mene na ko Easter ya ba nyame adoma ye bebo mo Easter enkomo Easter agudiem enkomo nyame adoma no so beba na wo se na hye na esi eko na afi so Michael Okanja na kire ene ntin so nkomo kakra ho a ono so ebeboy na afi wo se na niama esi eko emra ye twa ani ede kire eye ko ene ne hye so ne ye koboa ema Ghana agudie so etimi etumpon ye wo eye agudie awro bebrebe a etimi epiem Easter don hwere nim nyame adoma ye bebese kakra na afi se na niama esi eko egboe normalization committee omo adwumadi a omo edi no ye behwe se na niama esi eko so far bosome ba ko esan ko biu out of the next 6 months esan de mom no omo asan di bosome ba ko esan ko deda ahwem ni se na mesi ko so ka bosome akoma ko besi num na omo twumadi no second mandate no so eno so aba na wie wo mugu so horo so niama enkoye refisi ntuomka plus esi akan ene miamia wodo no nyina no we se na niama esi eko a clubs a ejina mu e wo sa competition mu wo mu nyina sika dwetire no asa na de normalization committee eye nyame adoma emrepam no ye bebese na afehwe se na niama esitie edema onso dwumadi a wo mu egusu 8 no we ene nkomo birebe ane de bra still Asempa Asempa 94.7 FM so the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana enkomo kakran so ho efa se na dwumadi a omu edi ne esi eko se Ghana epese agikuru ana de ene sempemfo etien saye nyame adoma eno so hyehyɛ betia ba na wo se na niama esi eko ginyame venture se menka nkyerɛw se fisa bria eko ne de kwenya ana beda on omu ehye dwumadi kese na se on the 2nd of May enkopin 4th of May 2019 ana ginyame ventures wo mu de hyehyɛ so kra 18 saba 3D Apposi eno ne hyehyɛ de ba a new technology design yede ma ewas no ana afi floors no replace tiles le boa e ma niama etia kwedi ma ye mount tie biodigestem CCTV camera so ye betiti wom na afi so electric fencing installation ni na be kye ye car air tracking system ni na installation no ginyame ventures for pay for the one hyehyɛ tia saba bomodian da 2nd May to 4th of May 2019 8 am sharp near Mount Tie me patcho obi ada beti no wagisan hye sunkum se opesa skill bia me patcho ye banker we soldier we police we SHS liver we university graduate we polytechnic graduate and say we presenter and also we journalist akwenya na beda we se 3D Apposi sa dwumedi we do beti san jim no asua ye hye sunkukra eba be replace any fence setters and kind tiles ne body den ba onya 3D Apposi na se na wo no ho tie and se na famous tie bia no ye beti design ho na afi bia ma tabinet na to wo no ho e bia wanka san phone need na to kama 3D Apposi no ebo adwuma bruta mesrɛ after 3 days intensive training no ginyame ventures some working experience betia boa ma abosomi makoma ko besi mensantem no wo nema etia ko ide ma me ba from the training no ebetia boa ema niema etia ko ide ma asetra bomodin da open krata bia oba obe forms no Fondex of Joy FM na Vision 1 FM na Peace FM so do ani chirima on sabetin aka wom enkrata bi obetia friend was 0248 900 502 0248 900 502 na one ginyame ventures yan twenkomo me pacho Kings University o madama wom e o malam kaswa road ho on sabetia ka ginyame ventures wonom ginyame ventures na nei wom eboa e mamanfo so asebenyado wom epe vocation bi no wom so anya bi na wom so de aboma no so twede ama setra na etia koye e de amom account na ebie ni say nobody is scoring more direct international goals than MoneyGram me so ene obetse Messi shego obetse Cristiano Ronaldo shego MoneyGram enso shego anything so we international direct international goals and MoneyGram de no wo share because say enable to receive money from abroad directly into your account MoneyGram say obetia cash to account no na boa emanema etia kwede ma get money transfer straight into your account me patcho a life and direct receive money from UK US Germany Italy now for 200 more countries around the world available for pickup do any chima over 2,000 locations 18 selected banks Ghana and oba osabetin account sika na boa emanema etia kwede ma me patcho champions don't slack but more than that so don't bet him go and collect your 3 points with MoneyGram today and the bit boa emanema etia to ye edi amount so ana ukuma eta tigo for and the big time data bundle netian saba it's so nice say ubetian hu sampa there are some essential things spy etiwa febo anything na make for eta tigo big time data bundle edi amount me patcho but more than that so do between san gym like oni salt sugar Giga ni na nyade a etimi Asempa ne den se ne sitie no saa be pe ne sitie saa na Airtel Tigo wom hihya mo de aba no eno so etien sanko mesrawa bomodin da se opese utimi nya Airtel Tigo wom edeta bia entempa so dial *111# *111# na we enjoy data. It doesn't expire, only on Airtel Tigo and the sign shares on Queen 18 somehow. Get Airtel Tigo big time data bundle. Let's stay online sir till your phone begs you to go and sleep. But more than that, say only paying for betting action come home. Simba bet phone paying for any shares on Queen about and can have Simba beta no be a trap. But more than that, sounds so betting and Simba bet and only betting about Emma Chumedia Woody no Niama Etian Quid. So trust Simba bet ya a bomb more disika before your far ranges of air botting product and also betting and sabo from sports betting and the virtual sports after dice and rule and after spin to win ni nice shares go quite ba me pacho main attraction happen to be spin to win me pacho with plenty options and the amount you are sure to win big money with Asempa bet so omodianda www.simbabet.com.gh na phone Simbabet phone twitwin komo Simbabet the best odds always omo and etech aboa e me search me dey kesi etibejam. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. And inti betway and a betting papa naba. Betway from paying furnish shares from Quentin Bar. Me and a wo. You bet you table area Kupimo Egypt. Near Kotai, the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana. 2019 AFCON a bet the day with Betway. Betway from paying for sub modern da. So betting a grabo about pack your bagno. No grabo passport. Now if you get ready to watch the best in Africa. Betway is giving you the chance to win a trip to support the Blasters. Me pacho. When them are Betway pay and the newer chassis intem. And so if you say Bruce Untiman when near Coco, Betway for Dama on the shares of Quentin Samba, Yama 100 Ghana cedis free bet prices are a bit your Boma Nema Etianque the amount 5 Ghana cedis 100 cash a price and so on ma or grabo every day. Got me pacho, Modianda, lucky winners no walk away with a Betway price now for your choice valued at best 1,000 Ghana cedis and it's all trendy. Modianda, when a Betway needs also a bit your Shaboma Nema Etianque the amount. Betway now me pacho from a match and compim 2019 28th of April and the design shares on Queen 8 bro obetian standing a chance a betian put in a draw na draw no ebetian samboa na yetabru e dia kopimo Egypt betu na for the love of the game we share motamu na omonya adwuma na omde omani ato betin so a enye se biom pechacha na mum no e agro ne hodo nti unim no fie no twwe a emfa san ka betu for wo mo hyehyɛ so kokra eno so atin asaba no nyame adoma ye ne honkomo ebetian saba ne wo sene nema esie ko na nka as usual in the preface of the show no yeko asantemantem agudiem ensem keka adoso na afie ne na agema atwenkomo se na agema niwa na nka bright yebo atila ana 18 saba na so nei wodwani 18 sa chirima enya dia wo mo ekos no ekotu nyame adoma emrepam yensa kama yenyom ebetia atwenko na afie hwese na nema esie ko yenrewre mu ntempa so na afie hwese na hye na esie ko ewo amanoni tokrum ntempa so na afie hwese na dwedie no esi eko ewo amanoni tokrum na afie amafo ehu se na dwedie no ebesi akọ Michael Okan ana de amanoni tokrum dwedie no enso 18 saba na yehu se na komo no ebesi akọ ewo san hyehyɛ eno so 18 asanto dwa medin de Enoch kwasi walanyo walas agudie catch bakope ana masin kunya edisan hyehyɛ so Queen 18 bro se do da mu hapapai wono ana mene no bɔ kontin kondi ne yetime san kyerɛ mu ewo eye kwawu nase na yenkomo a edifi kwa no edoso dodo enti yene ye ba no nyame adoma yere won hyehyɛ ne betia ba 34 minutes after the hour of 7 sports night ne dwumadi de bro obetia send me WhatsApp comment I was 0244483290 0244483290 WhatsApp comment nko ana obetimi de aba mepem no mebesebese hu na various na nema AC Echo won hyehyɛ nso de ba contributions ebetia boa ema Ghana kudi etensa tumpo na de aba apart from yeso adwenkyira ye de betudwo ha no obetimi de aba 0244483290 mepem no meje breni adache na afie de nkomo ahodo a esaka no etia bro na afo nsa nema AC Echo won hyehyɛ mu na yehu sena dwumadi ebesi akọ ntino Michael Okan ha yenhwe sena nema AC Echo amanoni tokrum ho aniwra na Michael Okan eden common etien senjan na yehu sena hye no ebesi akọ won dwumadi a eno so ye de ebrewi enti yenko amanoni tokrum na afi yenhwe sena dwumadi no ebesi akọ wo ho
Well, funny ass, Okumasi, who can you show me 2-1? Ask you show me 2 Okumasi. Conform Baba said if you 3 months, conform Baba, because of that, controversial.
Dr. Kekes upon conform Baba.
Conform Baba said if you
not an conform
Baba, or maybe or sausage.
Or sausage.
Ori sausage, we are rich tilapia, and we are jollof, comfort by 3 months. Say, better about it.
Doctor, sorry, Ben.
Oh, doctor, now so I'll call you fine. Don't make us with me.
But what you comfort by the?
They say, oh, that's what shot of the Kotokonti, can so be any at God. Woman calling now, a comfort, I saw Muslim Tina. Go to
no, it's funny, this is something Yakotoko.
Oh, boy, rest and missing Naka, or cost of war, Zakobuzumo. I cook some money now, I just get to us.
Now, Doctor, can you know in a boom?
Doctor, you in now.
And I'm with the G League. No,
that's not calling him.
now, the comfort, no resources, and already.
You show resources that offer, and we are did tilapia, and we are all of Yabuko, comfort by the end day.
Now, Doctor, one that shares animal in I
said, oh, Bobano, not so much out one, no. What are 2 people, Moses, send your no. Also, fine, say, and you're saying you're credit because you're not going for now, here, the anymore. You know what so who said the Grano, or do you have missing more than go far on 4 by the Kumasi, so by shouting.
I'll go back on 4 by the fee.
I know Granga, or Tidamo Kumasi, and a breakfast, you go why you show.
Comfort by the breakfast.
Now I'm going to realize out to Yamium.
Asempa FM. Comfort,
and now I'm going to our
Yamium is out of title.
My Alisa. Yami besa mamio. My Alisa. Comfort to that you and no one. No one like a movie that. Double 4 by 2. I saw him.
Tell me not to sign your way.
So really, no man or any other place in the bar. That or no more yas. Hey, you have only one me and I. Not to say Yamino.
None of Tahano. No
man name. So, what room no team, full flat apartment, and I'll go 14.
Okay, it's no Michael. And the producers na Eddie Hamo. You amano to crew. You sana nema esia ko. Nti no yenko na remusa wife.
No problem.
Emfanyo mu nra to crew no ne. For any kind bobohwema na ferem. Bobohwema amano to crew. Exploring tidbits. Business name say and na de.
We touch record. We touch record.
No ko ista no mai. Ni mota. Ojina wo sa right am might na nei. Anwe ne sentiu de.
No problem.
Maybe favorite.
Alright, Prof. I think after every weekend, on Mondays and as early days of the week, no, about actions are of course during the week and during the weekend, and as over the weekend, any day ever in midweek. Now after the weekend, sporting programs are of course, you know. This week, yes, I have midweek football and as game actions are of course across the leagues. Over the weekend, you will say Juventus, Agi, League, and as what is the Serie A title across Europe. We will say Paris Saint-Germain so crowning, and I say crowning as champions. League head, but quick stories are I'm gonna need to come and about Manchester City player. I fellow Leroy Sané, who should player here. Guardiola signing from Schalke 04, that is in Germany, but also in player on Shadanya good playing time, and I say on Shadanya a place in Guardiola's, and I say Guardiola core team into Ushe. This season, and I say from last season, Guardiola I prefer say obey you to Raheem Sterling. Any Leroy Bernardo Silva more into Leroy Sané as a player or now enough playing time in Guardiola team into City on signing contract, and I say already the new contract. But according to the Metro 4 can say because Guardiola doesn't value this player, and I say or whom player as part of the squad into player no air store because he wants to be giving assurances say in this coming season more playing time, he be feeding more. But because all just had in this season, on person be signing the new contract that Manchester City for offer to him. Now Uko dates back, and I say Uko which now share the number of suitors are Omunya, Leroy Sané and Kabupenu. One team Bayern Munich. It was Usha Bayern Munich as a team. On some project whereby the old players are on Bayern Munich for about 6-7 years now. So that we bring in new blood into Bayern Munich for sign this, and I say policy as far as transfer is concerned. They are signing young players who are winners. They say Pavard, they say Lucas Hernandez, and they want to add Leroy Sané and the Manchester City for S Rose Abia. Leroy Sané, the mind that I said that JR or the Manchester City, he's been turned away because of Bayern Munich for interest. Now you can't begrudge German players because German players are known say their players are amuta to kwai. Their players are who are homesick. Maybe they want to go back. It is a Bayern Munich, one of the biggest clubs in Germany. And I said the biggest club in Germany. You go back because there are players who feel the comfort of being at home. And I say league they are more of home players than good travelers. Into this deal, a good deal for Leroy Sané. I think say if he goes as a player, remember that developing as well as for the betterment of national team, because in Manchester City, on Sheldon Bobby, or to bench Sahana, Raheem Sterling, Eddie Bernardo Silva, na Pecky Honano, Omoda, and him. Now on other stories, we say midweek Koso, especially in England and Spain, teams say about Barca, Omako away, Omoni Alaves in England. We will say Brighton is Spurs but now 0-0 na Koso those games. I don't know say maybe scores not change, but from the last time I monitored 0-0. Now another story in Europe about Manchester United. Who's Ochina Omni City neighbor Manchester derby. Now before the game over the weekend, Manchester United they suffer a huge 4-0 loss. Now after the loss, an inquest, internal inquest, who call the media also are the former players, the class of the 92, and the other players are Manchester United, the legends across the world, especially Ishmael, and as a Peter Ishmael, and other players are who knows the DNA of Manchester United. I was on performance on Sunday around 12:30, lunch kickoff time. We share performance of Manchester United players put it up on the day. It was poor. We share aggression, urgency on the ball. He said, we share, and yet you could see, and I say, you could feel, say, and I say, if you're a Manchester United supporter, you can feel and see, say, we and your Manchester United, we na Omobo. It was Usha, the likes of Rashford, and Lukaku, Marcel play in the 4-3-3 formation. You know, players here and show good attitude from the kickoff of the game. You could see, say, Everton, they were up for the game. Usha Obo aggression, Usha Obo desire to win 50-50 balls, to win first ball, any second balls. No, our attitude in the whole game was better than Manchester United for no. Usha forward liners, and I said the attacking trio of Manchester United and say on the day omu pressing high up the pitch, omu some attitude that I right towards the game. Omu anya side man into on the day. You go see say Everton for they were more dominant, they were more aggressive, they were more and that's why we a team on the day omu intensity was so into on the day Manchester United some lose here and just say coach in the fourth, but on the day, we share players' no performance. That was very, very, very poor. Our application, tactical understanding of the social person on the day no, was very, very poor. For the no crap and I some consider about 5 because the guy as a goalkeeper goes now sharing. There's no way as a goalkeeper where to be a CV because the defense and I said the defensive midfielders of Manchester United, especially Matic, Levi. A goalkeeper exposed. It's a ball behind but not a shadow. And just say the guy was losing form and that's a BBC. But on the day, that kind of approach from the players, no, our application of what Coach Natural no on the day was lacking. Into Usha Omotimina 4 no was could have even been more. Say you more than 4. I think say players no they should back up. But going to Ochina game, no, I don't think say Manchester United but any good results in Ochina game. No, Manchester City will come to Old Trafford and beat Manchester United hands down. It's prof when you Asempa cry when you free amanone. Bye.
Okay. Enti Michael Okan and the area mu amanone tokrum. Amanone tokrum 44 minutes after the hour of 7 amanone tokrum komono de hono ye be sena nema ABC akọ say do dem ebeba na for no so abeka na fe de nkoma wodo ensa ka no atime jaw na on sena nema AC ekọ but ye bo normalization committee wo special competition na obama 6 weeks into the ongoing special competition no referees o marketua na somala wan say de mom no be sabre anwen ne se o hwe sena nema AC ekọ competition mainly sponsored by government aban and base kabotene 1.2 million dollars what they shame say yemfa mo amani maintain quintis kano e wan fa eteten wan ne kitam a base abiri ontwe clubs ne ka so mo je musika no yete se nkofo bi etwe o mano to sankomo mu a wo mo entebo ase wo mo nimbo mu na wo mo enim se na nhyehyɛ a yɛde gu so ɛde pem so na clubs no kugya a na ɛsɛ steam ɛwɔ mo no ɛbɛwo ana sɛ na nneɛma esi ɛkɔ normalization committee no ɛhwɛ sɛ nneɛma esi ɛkɔ so a ɔma ɛkrado sɛ ɔmo de the second tranche of the money no betiama teams na we minister na nneɛma esi ɛkɔ a na ɛkyɛ sɛ organization of this competition no first tranche of the money no $500,000 US ɛno ne sika wɔn so ɔmo site me kan football association ahyɛ SK ɔmo so dem clubs as appearance fees na for other expenditures no so referees ɛka base be referees wɔn sa ɛnka wɔn esi kasɛm ɛyɛ ɔbɛmu ahwɛ na nneɛma esi ɛkɔ so no dia na ɛkyɛ sɛ nkɔfo a ɛyɛ football kuma no so ɔmo bɛka bia na so ɔmo ka bi na ɛmere ɛne nkrabea ɛna betua sa kyerɛ me sɛ ɛbere kra me nkɔ Ghana football association ɔmo vice chairman dada owura George Akwesi Afie a ɔno so yɛ incoming anase aspiring ɛyɛ FA president ɛne ntwe nkɔmɔ briefly yɛmisa sɛ ne team ɛne ɔkyeman planners ɔmo gyina mu esi akansi ne bi ɔno ankasa hwɛ competition ne sɛ na nneɛma esi ɛkɔ so a nneɛma competition we characterized by no ɔmo ani gye ho anase sɛn ɛna sitie ɛde mom George Akwesi Afie mo adwo nwumere
wala simejo so
bibia bɔ kɔdeɛ
oh yes adam no ya pa
okay aso di easter no wie no voice na is slow
ebro kakra
yo we dey fa chance so say ade asa na so yabo ahoma na yepese na twetwe nkomo e wo Ghana football ho okay yo okay ojeman planners e ko yedi mamode
you hu so papa you carry na why
mo tire na why mo shisha na adwiri dey any problem no
oh well say proud to the competition looks like say technical team was too many friendlies and I say warm up matches almost picky at the wrong time. The competition started and then injuries were brave as key players were injured and I almost prepared until started competition but gradually we are crawling back back it's okay.
Okay. Generally, kind of entire competition so normalization committee the by na ne papa no.
Oh yeah pa. So him say what as did kind of na me choti for nyumbre menya akonya kakra nyumbre ya ma me chia. Na me wish you be so happy Easter no say end day papa dem fa na sa. You mun say o share you the normalization committee by in 6 months man kasada na man kan de normalization committee. I remember very well said there was a day where we near Mushu Pimia or see Busa missing no comment or can be missing no comment. That day I miss you no problem. Omo yo movement ya or momo yo movement no movia na ya assess you. Omo we and so the imagine ye me no makafa. And in that interview I many odu here or Metro TV make ka say omo di NC special competition about the yen support home. And that is my style. Means you see I started competition, I bobo on it. Will be for support mom. Of course there will be challenges. It's normal. It's normal. Remember that we've been without football for 9 months. Challenges, but it's part of rebuilding and I say it's part of the transformation and the ecosystem. You know, there are challenges. I believe strongly that especially when they say so we put in place competition committee and I say a committee or more NC special competition. So of course there will be some bottlenecks, there will be some difficulties associated with it. Beginning but we will give you some better training and this will be a support one. Will be a let's support them to execute their mandate into the kakra mechanic. Challenges there is normal, of course.
We have been made to agree, say, abnormal times, which I personally do not agree because even in the abnormal times, I'm more canon. Kodoko Africa, ama watimiatra a stage and not many normal times no mpuno. Womudu, media mudimu. In getting our football back, no, where's na structures near qua, we be proper because near TT, near man near Titida, and the referees, almost Esika Sem, near man Kuye Famum, and also Bibia Goso, kama, it's near Monument.
Honestly, if you ask me, Menya Kunya share about 2 of the matches Menya Kunya share, I think 2 or 3. Officiating wasn't bad at all. officiating say who say I improve by especially from the refereeing level. Men can't say be almost because I know Yamina may to Yanti. And because me the type when you are not in charge, I should be behind, you know, we wouldn't need problems are almost and I think I saw a release, I don't know whether it's true, coming from the spokesperson saying that I think say more challenges. So let's bear with them. I mean, Niamani be more yeah, of course. You bet me actually so we the Yankamu say a but media say what I was expecting them to do, especially in regards to competition, because you see in competition and never boa colebia or this adema and our colebia or tiada and our colebia or tiwali our person football and when you and the almost started competition in the moment I believe definitely that they will extend the competition also to the lower division, especially the division 2s and the division 3s and the normal so regional level and almost started. But for now say Premier need division 1 born there. The Omubono challenges be but I believe that committee no more put in place no address it. Let's continue to support them.
The previous administration yentimi answer man over some of these problems and they you say better football see and also celebrate their challenges. Na ben na Ghana ye hwe nim say challenges we mu ye betimi atwa fa so.
So nim say football and say evolve ntine de bia de chi ade se bia mrakra na yes se bi lay we start ya ohwebo tikofo du ahwebo na onim bibi emfre bibia VAR of football mu enesa ba ye the television aba hele utimi hwe decision crowd to kia utimi kwasesa no
Asempa FM
continuous friend saying improvement every day, new things are coming and that's always remember our part of the world, you know. So the Western world that be bia ye pepepe omumpono rube bia ya na edin so wonim say korea itimi and they thankfully the new administration and I said His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo Adawoma already say infrastructure is say parks in here it will go a long way to help development of football in this country, especially pitches now. Zongo communities for CB, GMPC for CB, the Ministry of Youth and Sports CB. You be we the bones and pitches now. No ko abe boa be aid in infrastructure. And young customer, young hope that things will improve. So Samia sana make.
Okay. Ochima planners kakra moji fi omo no. Mo de wi na say ebi go so tawo.
I stand that. So we football now who say canon. But obi gweka say change bini okra and when yakakra it's okay, it's helping preparation near the other and there's a standard that I know baby obusa craft chairman be on kajo me so be obi kura the card woman it's any the normal even the buska kakra
asan munya bi wan na mode ye
o say
asan munya bi wan na mode ye
ebe di dada ni nya bi ni ye di dada na ye nya bi free baby an say ni ye football charity a passion no ewura mu a said it would be sure busuya for about time they have football in the sanity. It's always like that.
Okay. In this situation is a place in the best of ana.
Oh, sir, and yet because of Sebi normalization period in Tina players suffer. The players have been suffering from ages and we are trying to improve their conditions. You see, football in some part of Africa, especially the Western, it's a platform to give players the hope. Because football attending the fortunes of football attending on in a bushia for down. It is the hope that player be obey you who be so you created a platform for you so that chance will bring your baby. It's only the sanity.
Okay. Apart from the
Minya even Asempa Akatiakura Sundi.
Oh yeah.
Yes, so sent to me Yamani.
Human needs are insatiable, but send a media. Above was our organization way of the special competition Mugusuye. In himself, your other AUSS normalization committee. One more. Hello. Me say, apart from the special competition, Kosui. And himself, other areas, and so mutime sanhwe information of the status about to ne nkoniaba amuna mojinem and the campaign started dada enyasem keto akra see ebie puno na see emie puno e kana na mugusu ebogum no moyo okay with sena trend this ikono
me gidi pass this time round, you know, or more better to him, and I have no doubt, say, my dear doctor, Waka, or say it's time for say reforms to our statutes and all that. We are the conduct election. Let's keep hope. Say you keep to his promise and the Unyama Waka. But so far, no, once a year born will be born, and crowd will keep people active. And he said, oh sorry, Ochina. Sporting Millennium, Ochima planners in Bowo, Tafo, and Liberty Professionals and so Carrera. Inti, and Unkwan Crampono, a big people active Kakraman, Quen in a senior semi-cotafo. The in itself is okay. Yemi Maka, Wallace, Wetia, Yana do baby, any pebin na Okasa. Your ongophobia okasa okopeni bibi kakredi no watane wasem no akotwanto dia kodi so yesi George kredi watem ana George say me I don't insult because yes I entertain did never I'm a well coached person indi ni patem anti obi wo ha okasa already so no pick point bi no di kodi nkonkonsa kope bibi akunu bottom me yes ade no. I think that the normalization committee was given a clear mandate. The mandate was very clear and specific. Only 6 months. In the whole period of 6 months, man, my view, people sought my view on what I think the Omuye, the can't meaning, and they, my can't may expect a few. And I believe strongly that Dr. Baye, or at least say, yes, we don't know what they have in stock. Just that Yanni force who be here. Say our mama communication, Emra, the bar, Inatia will continue to support them.
As the second 6 months of the normalization committee, what be Joma Dipa?
Well, so we have football. Now we give football Dipa, and as a football is part of your life. Now to your mind, bring your mobile harding. And for me, you see, the resumption of football is in the right direction. Intermediate crowd, they start pleading with them that the grassroots, because the whole any feed the upper division, because almost 30 division 2 and the clubs in the break, Kohas of folk, their players in fires from the lower divisions, from the grassroots. And see, Yama competition started. Jacque started, Jordan Abla, Memorial. I've been to about 3 centers. Go and see the competitiveness and the eagerness of young players willing to play football. So I will just encourage them that I must study the papa. I must continue. No more sure lower divisions, and no one made them here for more. And the rest, I know that they will do it. I have believed strongly that they will do it.
Okay. And it's what you say. Obejina FA president negusujina ho.
The answer is the team.
Okay, because now man for say we are paba okwemu.
There.
Ebi so kra say ene menya message si a o say we say as George support no management committee no say e bia on be disqualify ni tin e bia nei o say o mo ya de.
Okay, almost 30 normalization. Okay.
Me kai pa.
What is say me kasa for normalization?
There be that.
Omo boss 6 months we man kamaji. Nenga maji.
Wa chere wa dwen.
Ntino nipa de untimi da bia na on sorry na bia o gina radio so na say no it's not fair. Maka several times me uni so we come at uni me say me come again omu wie ye me dwin ni say say me can I've said it and it's okay and I said that once football resume let's focus on that na ye nyina support them. I've said that too.
Okay, into because the anim from a united front na clubs in na moncho enkoda FIFA for ase some normalization ba ya o ma ya de o be yes adwuma no
yenko do ma se de
so o mo ya de bibia koso mo be ye
oh no for now say yenya botre say makacho say o mo clear mandate no e kire de o mo nye. Say do me be near for say no. Or delay a time. You are not doing the right thing. Now you better take that step. But for now, I think that your mom 6 months. I don't think that anybody is protecting against the extension of the 6 months. So let's work together. Into
George akwese fi e be do ase say am rase kwan so ne atwen ko but me ja hoi na me hwe ukọ asa ukọ Egypt ntem dodo ukọ azien.
Oh, send me a member of the organizing committee of African Cup of Nations. I've been a member since 2017.
Okay. Wanafu na omu yi na di na.
Madam Fupa na yi na di no general secretary.
Na say wo na
him since 2011.
Hey, asa na fo na yi o ma di football mu. Wanga za mu sie yiwadi.
Dada bia mu ye yiwe.
No fie ni pa na say no
Na mu wa yiwadi ze ba ko pe o. Ana mimi ni madam fo ye yi.
Won madam fo ye yiwadi no so madam fo anga za so ati on so yi ni na se akunya na ye bere na.
O bene dey. Say do maybe a football politics yam fa na sa.
Ade monye pepe ti na ye musa na.
Min ko wa se.
Sa woni ma rekode ana woni batonka.
Oh, why not? Meaning BBA. I know everything. Meaning BBA about it. You say BBA. Meaning BBA could see yes, and I'm
okay. It's a deliberate attempt from a car for no say or mobile woman must say.
No comment.
Okay. We a susumu and answer honam from there.
Jesus boy and I see a ban.
Mate, medo as mejo see ya. Okay, you. George Abkase free ana Otene Kano, former FA vice chairman. Yi na di ana no so de nkomo etuan saba na oye aspiring FA president still o say onye na adwen say obejai obesela oguso ejina vision him. Yenko eye TT Brothers ura Isaac Tete ho. Yen resela nema esie ko. Ageti yam adwo.
Ye nia.
Bibia bokode.
Yeho adom bibia ye pa.
Asa metum ka che.
Misha ho.
Se na metin na e wode ohu.
Mi pacho David.
Okay. Yo, TT Brothers mugusu ginam Uncle T Stars pram nyansem ketwa ne bank roller mo hwa bo ma ne ma etia koye. Afi bia de dwumade bi pim so tema SOS Children's Home ho ma from sa ba be 20 years and over ni udi sa dwumade na de na ma ye sa papa yi.
Oh, mama fif this min chia with you for na mutia enyi. Bibia about 16 years ago, ABC Makumason, and I'm me bushing for a discussion. Me name bad mo discussion because no me bad mo school as well. Most of the time, no, I'm person be near my school. Na yentiase, bekaso, the command clan more. Village or atadie sometimes biani with young person be ko kere ye chia na ma yehu di tia no mo yesa itino e bibi ba na every Easter ye share education for na ye didi wo mi ho na suggestion no ba se o na ya discuss no ye fan ko ho na ye ni nkoda no mu nyina ni ma ni sisters education nyina na ye ni amu nko didi na adoye won na yenye ye ba kunana ekaya nkene every year me ye na say abrowa no so na ni jihu me suppliers no so me partners no bi ani jihu the management staff senior ones no bi vote 2 year yenya 99% vote say we should do it. Since then every year bia edu Christmas ni Easter bia yes adoye no na ye regret to say yes adie no ya dia ye abroa no ni ji ho ansa na wo fi no ono so kanto ansa na owu ye say de me ye no ma mi jai no bibi aka mi metu aso that me ni wa de obi ma adie so ebetu aso
okay
sana ba
okay Angetil Stars mugusu gina mananso.
Oh, you adom ye boy ye humodi. Ye boy ye humodi.
Dikana
but
Scanner normalization committee di ma mo say mo fanye sa competition mu no. E bi guzo ta ho.
Look, Sikano say bi ni ho kra o ma bomode because
Chama anya asem na wo kanu ase wa ya fa nchen sikwan mu.
No, well asa but asakra o ma bomode. because the entire Mikasano. So be here with the Mawa. Nasabi or no woman, they have said we na ye, and Fisher will say no.
Asempa
Almost 11 years, me here, Division 1 week. Minya Obia my 30,000, so this is the 30,000 way, Nafabo. You know, so Bia Bomodia my 30,000 cities, old Ghana city, 300 billion, say, Gina Faboa. Why you?
Okay.
You know, idea there, who can acquire here, Omo Yibi, Omo at least with the Bia society, I mean, 1 month salary, among the players are a beboa, I be Diaman. You know, Omo money. Oh, my end is civilian, because no crime, a back toe, yes, you're running football, you need the Air Coast World Premiership Division 1. You know, so be no one can hear now who that because who are we and who him send a tree. The only way to soon him send a tree. You know, so one can acquire now, the crime may be that would do grass. You know, or Omabomodi, Omaye, Humbi. The Omaye no, a swing, Omunya Bibria, Ombe Yedi, a chen, the Omuya Mayan.
Okay.
This is Yema Omun said, the Omaye no Omabomodi.
Okay. Nti yaka say ye leader of delegation the ma all clubs in Ghana say mon koda FIFA asia obedi anim na ma koda ase say normalization committee omo yade pa nti omo to aso sa afeball.
Oh, Sabi, well, football, football for dia. What I say, omu base, omu beboye, no ma tutu nyama ye. Na sana kwan ombe fa ombe tutu nyama so no, e na omu fa no. Adeɛ sɛe na wobɛsiesie na ɛnyɛ easy. Adeɛ asɛe yɛde hyɛ wo nsa sɛ siesie na ɛnyɛ easy. But yɛde adeɛ ma wo sɛ sɛe no sisi a wobɛtumi asɛe no. Nti no mefiri sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɛyɛ kwan a ɔmo fa a ɔmo bɛsiesie adeɛ na ɔmo yɛ. But deɛ memehu sɛ yɛn football administrators no ɛsɛ yɛma ɔmo support na yɛdi nokware ɛyɛ adwuma no yɛdi nokware bɛɛdi ma ɔmo. Ye tro mo kwan a ye be fa so a ye nyina ye be bo mo betimi esiesie na e be yi aman but say ye hu mo say omo ye threat to us say bia omo di ejuma ana say ti omo ye no enye no kwan so a and ye dada ye because ye yen ya ye no ye ni de ya ye ansana ade we aba nti no sabi abadida ye twem na twem yen hwe de nti a e ba ye then you shake one ever fire na football ebe di yen sa yen fasa nyama ye de running na eda na asem no ye nye bio aye de betu yen wofo very very important but see you wo say omo ye threat say omo gi ye djuma na yen su sabi ye de no kwa no sie na yen pese ye be ka no ko omo ye bibi ye kra ye say enye omo ye wi ye say enye ye omo ye say enye yankasa na ye ha ye ho o betina wache na enye sa na ye pe no nti no ifi se ye nyina ye kembo na no kwa na ewo ho na ye di erani football na di aba no abadida sisi a ye nyina na aka ye ye mpe kwa ye be fa ye be buo mo a o be sisi na man no mo di ade na be hye ye nsa na ye mpe omo betimi arani amaye nga ye aba no ebi mbebio ewo ye mbreso.
Okay. Nti esa boni amaye nti no uzuzu se mo won kwasu mu afeball ma mo ne mo da.
Oh man kasa wala see yembu omuntem no munye nuntem no munfa nhye yensa yankasa omuntina wa afeball debi omusu no eni omu adwem so omu betina afeball debi eni obi adwem sa ni omu adwem bes enye sa adwem na omu de call na sa adwem adwikudinti omu de call no sa na me sure say omu be yenwu adwuma intem no omu de ahye yensa but aka na yen ye be bu omu amomu information na the officer omu ye no be ye no be krata fita na to aman wala onu na efi say mi share football for nyina with mi kotodwe gufa po omu choche yen bu a omu yen fa yen mo support omu hwehwe no no mu nye no ntemo no mu fa hye yensa se na be ya yen nyina ye hu beto ya ye football no be ba back game say na ye pe no.
Okay.
They are very important.
But sana we can say wow say omo ya de senkofo ya de football mu na sentem kan am sene masakra mo say we don't change a winning team. Enti na me expect senka clubs na mbaka mutia bufa mo say nomination committee omo ya de mo gaje fa senka mo be de anka mo kra mo ahuni mu no omo to aso saa nkomanim.
No, Wallace, Benji man, Wallace, my football but almost 35 years old. My year football. Into no Wallace, the year can. As for Sebi, we be ase near you be aba say, I'd not be say, near you be Jimuso, be Jimu, Nessi, I didn't for my. Watch I said to Frater, say a kusu baby na soldier for a qua, Omuko Jikunu, and faster crony or mudia. Omu ko se ne be a omdi asunje ebeba krumombe pata tokwano nomdi peace aba to parties na omu kununtem after that no normal siso omu nyama normal fi nomdi krona share kro for nsa be omu nji kronu se kronu ye omu dia no be dia uka no se ye free se di omu ye no obi wo omu mu a obetimi abedi ye FA president obetimi aye adwuma no yi a Sadi Pakunu Suru Sabi, Obejina say, Ombetu Nuswaba. Into say, young football administrators, edge Timitu Nuswaba no winning there. Anyway, winning. Best say, on me, fa and hijack say, Nudiano Metina. No, and yes, I FIFA rule. And I mean, Jane, this Omubia was I drink, Musu, was say, Ombeji, Yengajumafa. No.
Yeah, but say if I'm not so cram omo kwan say despite whatever omo ye no omo betimi a standing position bia.
That is good. Into no say unim sa I don't know would me fa e kwan bi so.
And so wo see omo ya de nti so omo ya de na bibia akọ kama de a ne musimo aye bone nti na bia maba san kwaso mi ene mo ko so nhemu a
Wallace. And never fa we see the so account. Oh, there's one thing about here as a Ghanaian sir. I say you know yet to miss some politics. Sebi yedi ya yempen for say ye jai. Football yedi ya impen for mu di ni say ye jai. Say yedi obuoma obia yetu na esi say ondi ye ni bia yedi obuoma no. So ya kodapo no mu di baton no hye no nsa say sa konya we otena super. Say ye ma sa konya no so eho ti no buo eba ho. But see ye free say di pakono ye threat emayen. Within your football, in your politics, cost in answer be a sevi, a young inside your man ever boyer, and boyer will point be as it's a time, if say you say, your fat will boo mine pen for Omuti, and for boo mom, then for whom brass same mom. Now, young boor omo, make you my call some yellow. Say, Penny Eddie, when you know you do not, the acquire of fasten and ya. For modern code or cop one would die, and I catch a penny say. Sakwen we put the first one ebe high jai. Kanu kwenu chenu non pamu and not kanu kwenu chenu not the officer ye no onyo. Onu ye che bia ye di bia yaw na ye be pe niema en fata na ye di kuo mu fia na ye kan niema ensa. Na ebe kan yan kasa. Ntino me feel say it's a time ye nyina ye say Ghana ye yendia. No papa ntina wo wala so tuwe na ubo umodi. Na ministry kan wo but to say we sell with you na kanyama emfata efi wo a then na menya wo the kevia we juma no mebe be gia ya na mi be ginye nti no adena say mi ku mfia unye bidia sai what I say but say uye bibi na eboni na mi fro na mi ka Wallace ade we na waye kwan wudi we fa so enya maka madwin upe na ufa ye wan fa ye be mi yiyaw me fa ayaw ni atem didie en count because sabi uwe busiafo nti ade na say me go animals it's a time em say ye hu say na ye bebua because ya nyasa e fa ye na esiwa ye nkro no ebe say and essence a ebe kan ye nyina Wallace me no because ye mba e ba hu say we ya e say me di ayaw eyiya no because already football ye dey adia a shedo sa nti no me pen asem ti no min kan nyama ebe gu no fin na mi fan say no both football and the politics if say ye jai na ye fa kwan paso na ye ma ye mban mo mu ba no esua bi papa so na be a ye gina ye hu beto ye wala it's a time the power kasa wala strong omu wo ho no ye hwe say den no mu ye ade omu ye no omu bua na de ye papa no ka de omu ye a wo hwe say fata no ubeka but you sure say who can papa na woman any boni na woman na by the end we ni man ko gwa say the who can no go mu fi keke ono no enye
okay yo ye beje wasi anyame adoma ye besa to ankomo no so da chi bia
wala spidasi
okay
uru pa wood
mate owura TT Brothers azitete
kosu di ejuma no yie
Asempa FM.
mate me da se panso
visibidasi
okay nti owura azitete TT Brothers ana ode nkomo yi aba sedu adamu e wo ha the analytical sedu adamu e wo no observation e fa nkomo aba nyina ho na papa bi e friend as Hemingway na nasmo kan na se war ne kan se war anantokwa ana se oye ne setu kro bi a no matter how necessary it is, no matter how justifiable it may be, no, it is still a crime. It is still a crime. Inti me consider the more na me fa we nya no na me propel say do the mu in order say obetimi eden komo papa etimi ejan say review e woko de ya me adu mi woko Easter wangasa ba kwa obo sana niam ese ko so se na kama na
but Easter na ma me hu say enije timi ma oni akra timi refi the whereabouts of Ninia senye Easter na kamini asenia odi oba ko bebi na woni agya bro so na oba no agya ne nsem wakwa kodu bebi asa okaisa oba no wachi but Easter no ma me hu say sad na real but I think say the Easter was okay. You have a great fun people so and it's beautiful to be on the mountains over top I won't say over people so already na aba the excitement especially the Asempa Easter games no I mean gala no exciting. We had fun and I think say you very really see more of such occasions. Say me one year next week means say only o marketing team meet ma put you be in order ebia we dey bit ma come bit ma for dia
okay
na yeah because the if Easter fever na still I yeah appearance how I do crowd you say aha you buy
yeah bro
yeah easy
interesting
be almost 11:30
yeah
we are Moshe sending water what's up say do where are you okay I'm just I want you any and I'm not because I'm okay I'm okay I say are you sure you're busy I'm okay I tell you now so the other buy
seminar me drive home I just say no check on say do the you say okay na
oh me okay if we kidnap me by it was a positive kidnap
yeah very interesting
who say who share police ni bia or nyama bi hye no ho one of them ya condom readiness
yes
and no so police ni bia ma bi the share ho in case of any eventuality in case of any eventuality until say no eventuality bia ba it is accepted until we were kidnapped in a positive way
say make I say am robbers bi ko wi ankofobia maame no am robbers le seeking for sex na ejina first one so we no to no twene ba bi nti second one no e ba no one ne gu so gba na maame no mu ma an robbers say first commercial puno no mu dane an robber ne to ne oye no adwuma papa enya sekita ne kunu so say one maame ya wo be se nkwala nan na out of nkwala nan ya wo ni mu na maame na yi sa style ni bi da an robber style no yi mo no de en nwa to so ko hwa asem ni nam se da bi maame ejo nkwa say condom readiness na bi no
we dey sorry be am kind enwumre ya say maame bia ono so owo fresh we dey me from na makọ owo fresh na si akora no ntimi nkasa fezi akora ne attempt so be kasa no ka grandma ade chena grandma na wu be 3 days akora say attempt so be kasa na fe obi ahun popo obi na no uncle na ade chena wo fa na wu ave third time akora ne so be kasa obi apa obi afa omudu gate na akora kan papa na obi anim say papa we dey ade be cha papa na wu papa no koda dem no ho popo sa papa na wu aichi na ebusia no mo driver ena ewu ena maame no kan so we dey oni driver na yeye mesi besi ne papa nda so praise na yere no obi a wa fa na chi no so oni na anwo na driver na ewu ni papa ni okay okay nti di na ye part of the fun But I think say interesting evening. We need two great stakeholders akasa. But let me say I'm not inspired by their comments because OTA ni omo can I lose like say they are okay with the normalization committee you know. But with them your question back me bisa in fact there are two questions. Back here omo say ade na say e na omo ba be ni wale person bisa say die na say nyo bi die na die potin na say die potin pa won si hu ade crop potin a ne hu say nti omo ye ni ye won si ade crop na ye na ka say obi di 13 years na say no de bia obi so bia so omo di 13 years na say no e die na omo di 13 years say no which part of it football your management your management and administration one your technical your the playing body your infrastructure your finance what I say your various department which of them na I say and as almost say no for continuous 13 years you see it looks like post anas film no so like get too over the issues and we still don't know where because I say 13 years obi the 30 years I say bibi won't me for 6 months in here and easier and dear pa pursue yenya obi nobody say number 1 number say we number 2 national team no kwan po na ye de am for the kasa bebre say national team and then national team for kwaya budget 8 million na omode ko akobo I no kwa asem yan siye eno kwa asem yan siyo enti dear pa na say wala me person we educate me be dear 13 years no dear na say no mama indices no and indicators no you're the playing the style of play and the technique and quality of play and talent sisi aga na talent ni biem enti produce players biem enti coaches no tactics na enye adwuma biem say in 13 years any one aspect to your infrastructure playing field na bi ni obiem yenya grass mbo so biem your administration and any football administrators no 13 years or we now call into coma now there is no football a dear party department of football and a say here in 13 years refereeing dear party I want us somebody to tell us then we do a proper analysis of nyemana na say no then we just oppose it with nye you see ebi no and ask ourselves say are they doing nye na say na because you can't box things together and say na bibia say kramba you can say name na say no then tell us say talent na egu no you see these are the ways here to get more talent coaches na normal born these are the ways here to get more coaches infrastructure wise these are quite here so to get more better infrastructure for Ghana football going forward administratively CC Accra, we have worse administration in terms of administration. We have worse than we have ever seen. Worse.
Oh, sir.
Yes, worse because Mami Chow.
Administrator, some of PTF.
Huh?
What PTF?
Oh, Wale.
Nema na say ni bi no afi ni mpinti. Sa no
in administration here. So administration and ye bobo. Ya bo first round ochina na ewie. Referees capre cry and fan show mbotomie. Capre aya boni mutokuru and then you send me voice we see August info you member of the organizing committee they say many referees now agree some bet you monthly see our referees near don't bet 2 monthly salary so FO wale we the piaka now say referee no do 1 match pay in a month or no bet monthly salary now say referee no so be so di 4 matches in a month obe financing ho to that 4 months na so abegini sika I dey asem ne ani e kan inti see referee na problem and you find say referee na integrity ne pet na problem inti omo ye 4 weeks 4 days integrity test and omo dey solve the problem but the question is that integrity test no omo ye no hwe anche omo say referee no or say uti bon ho ka before I could match no ready report na organized committee no ready ad hoc committee on referee ready report no content of that report ready and ready ejuma enti no is not taxpayers money waste of taxpayers money ma wale mi so tie me kan sia me see ad hoc committee na Dr. Kofi Amwa led NC ne tie no omo form group bi ani e frɛ omo refereeing ad hoc committee. That refereeing ad hoc committee no omo ye a number of proposals utie me bisa say NC no that proposal na NC na nkasa na oye mother body no or implement this proposal na because yabo more and me expect say the NC no ono afọ ma ye di proposal no buy no ko no buy den ko buy implement it. Me person bisa question say is the NC implementing the proposal or the recommendations of the committee no makasa tie na it is the question am me bisa so nim so abet man same
microphone na communicators na reference ni su kwa ni bi na via ni benya
no anya via nkwan na room there were a lot of things na room in time bisa say omudi adwuma na referees no you see we have to be serious. What form committee utie what form committee that committee no wo see eno na wo reforms aware den wo ye meboa and we expect to say going for the future GF we work on those documents, right? Let me be say wo competition now we start as a committee now we form committees now to am for Kano. That document no wo the year adwuma na I want to know whether omo the year adwuma. If they are omo the year adwuma, the committee recommend it and omo year adwuma no. So omo year communication and promotion. Communication and promotion for omo year recommendations and then this committee omo the year adwuma. Omo ye national leagues committee on leagues near committee on leagues no propose here no omo the more league imo competition imo nti akwa na e bai. You don't think that the whole process of organization is a waste of everybody's time? And me I maintain from day one that normalization for GF was a waste of and everybody's time, resources, finances, BBI, it was a waste of everything. So me person me kind few of the committees no recommendations near here say competition na omobono refereeing department this is on refereeing department omo the area adwuma na so omo nfanye adwuma. You understand? And so no onfanye adwuma ono akasa no organization committee no onfanye adwuma me adamu next year me be FA president how person me fanye adwuma we fi say o kan wa hanum say e keep cause dey kwan fanye adwuma until this thing will gather dust. And then Oman Kasa come form committee no documents nigga that does someone fanya adwuma. I don't know if you are getting me. Yeah. I don't want to go on the other department. I want to rest on the Oman Kasa aboka. I form ni power waste your time and energy and resources. So no that committee no report no Oman Kasa no omo dey adwuma na. So omo dey adwuma, omo dey adwuma. We will evaluate and analyze and ask ourselves say into committee ni omo timi ayeni. So you get it. Okay. The Ejuma committee no committee I see a penyansafo no ma be Ejuma no ye nya nyansafo mo be Ejuma no o me recommendation no mo de bae no eno ne ade Ejuma no se ne Ejuma no wireless ne papa mu no bo na e bo ne papa mu na hu no 6 matches referees capre crowd e mo mo yo capre 0 crowd mo mo ye
Uncle George son peso be ko
why
Uncle George son peso be ko
so capre crowd saying especially what is the current methods of continuous referee assessment? Are they adequate? What revisions or additions are required?
Okay, so but with the kakra
no problem.
Mama America kana me twa me kakra ha no wi a eba na wasan de emra na etian saba am say yenkofo di game na changa na emra no omunya nhwe mu ye o mo adwene nko no they are just looking at things and in the surface nti ye be call na fear se ne ma asia cause but me honorable Michael Ochrebefi, Executive Secretary of Ghana Free Zones Board. Ewa man so yen twen ko briefly. Esan say weekend yi na eneba pay ne nam. Okokofodua General Hospital ekoya doye edema nkolankuma children so no nya nsam ketwa. Yesan vi ko esan aba no na o the work happen so apart from work no osan the football game 18 happen so me so a politician o wrestling na Mexico so me hu James Akwasi Apia Blasters head coach ho me hu writer Kwamna Eboa no swag body no ono na president e we dwumadi adi mu hu nipa titu bebre me hu Jackie Apia me hu Sydney ene nkofa wodo a ye nyina fin kan e kopiem e san hye so kan se me pese me bisa pa se e den no use sports as a tool for the campaign e wo new Japan South ekonya wo pe e ho no honorable Michael Ochrebefi mo adwo
e jo so mira
nyame adoma na also ho ye de okay obedu kan na so gusu she base ho
obedu akra o ba faton se bedroom
okay bibia so ye kama so ho
nyame adom no mo pai bo no mo support
okay
my idea pa nyame shamo me na fofo a wo media no so be jam se nyame shamo pa.
Okay. In the first place, number seven, I'm say first day Okofodua no Central Hospital. I mean we say we are doing what they boa children's ward no. And when you cook in a sanko sambi do Okofodua no. Osa ede work epem so yin di mu a and we send them AC course na we are and our Sunday football 18 sapem so. Minim say ni na campaign what they pay gwa when you job in South share so no. Despite the fact that we executive secretary of the Ghana Free Zones Board. The now use sports as a tool. Ewo san hihye
Yo nidi kan me da se bre mira ene ekonya de mami. So the winner who said sports there is out of the BR so if you want development, if you want unity, if you want development, the BR is can be pabu easily over the sports now.
Asempa FM.
It was a very good opportunity. Say you did use sports near the Babe Kakufu of boom. Over the years, which means constraints more party lines, two straight having. There's a very sharp division or political party home and maybe one mark chrono ye be a penny yin affect your social operations and the way we run the social activities over the sana akoye na mesha made was me a break side yes no by using sports as a tool like the candy ping now Okofodia boom and not the now so the year program so
okay into bega say what work any football or the clemency events ni na no who achieve the desired results now as a politician.
Definitely, I mean, everybody could know. I'll see. Who say, I mean, the all the programs were well patronized, and no crampono experience. Kufudia for Ajia to Manazo Omajin Punto ne Kabmatu. And the Kumi Crampo football gala finals. We said the Scopa Koyema, we said Nipa, non the cash, the Kaswa, like a secretary, Utumuse Kufudia for Nyati. Bibi Sam into our seat to be a baby, said the bear, you bet a cacromo for Nabo near who stayed back into a new political party way, need a religion way, any way. In a Kufudia for into way a because I am said the bear, you may be punto a pepper Fudiano. Into many at least we're able to achieve the old picture.
Okay. Na me san hwe. Hello honorable.
Yes sir.
Na me san hwe. We crowd on the work day no emo buy any emo be hwe football na it send them out because Matana Kufudia and February Beni, my own political party, my own president JJ Rollins, former president Tawaba Kufudia, and the fans say my own president Kufo, my own Ghana Mampania or Tiagua Sweni, and a crowd omo pulu. Na me I say from the consistency level crano and what pulu sa crowd it is a Mampani net send them out.
I'm with the senior and a cancer money pa. Make one more because we down me feel the panai. I am with the Okofodia. Wait now, tell me, Piffy said, oh my gee, young as my Katekofodia for that to me. Go with the Honma and let pictures about out and share pictures me, market women, Wombi, identify book groups to be a traders who are finishing dressmakers, tailors, contractors association, sawmill dealers association, I mean, and wood workers association. There were a lot of, I mean, unions are any associations that would join in work now, make one students, just be a can be, and it was so massive. Say, because me I said, who dreaming name one so. When not say, as some person can say, for say, yeah, bring Punto Kufudia and Kufudia for Jatum say. Omema inipa bia omwo mpuntuwa abadaye anazomwo mpuntuwa nyemba so mpuntuwa Kufudia and I know ana Asema, yeah, achieve, and I think to us, we achieve that objective.
Okay. You James Akwesi apia Black Stars of Ghana head coach ewum kwamna ebo a miankasa ne kwadwo ma sam ohwehwo ne mpemfo bebrebe na ana ebe kan yehu Sydney yehu enkrofo bebrebe yehu Jackie apia ne enkrofo awdo nyina beta akiri a na nyansem kuma kra ba James Akwesi apia Black Stars head coach o trendy after say okwo o MPP ni ana say e wadanfo kekenti no beta akiri
obia onim me bia no say was down for a very long time. In the everyone was crazy say ekoso because obia onimi bia nim say was down for no and wo onimi for the last 4 years and 5 years no uti wo say kofodia de wa ba wa bia me program bi oba we program bi oba me net say like inia obi onim ye bia nim say de bia me yo kofodia bi oba bi ono be oni krom ya me ko bia oba ye oni krom oba ye kumasi me ko etu boko amanoni oya wa me ko first I know ni Ghana no menu yimia obia woni me dey nsemi no enti there's no way I may ya there or baby e bone right now it was not a political event it was a purely like a social gathering and kofobia mo from was a friends of kofi be fi no work ya bom it didn't have political name bia it was strictly a name bia kire say ye friend say adwuma e dey mpuntu ni kabom. Well, who said go share this t-shirt? Go we don't share this t-shirts. They were part of the work. Come on here. It even can say because of other supporting Ninia program no baby. It's just a MPP. I don't think he's a politician or near politics. So me who no politics that. Any political party be able. No, near political party be answering. Oh, you know it to say. Over support political interest. That's how I see him over the period. No, on there, almost bending himself on politics, on new politics, on Libya or a neutral person, or yet mama buying, or yet mama obi or hopia, a buying way bar, or yet mama, a buying way bar, or yet man. John Shedan Cassette would a buying way. That is not Kosia. Obi on Bianze, Kosia Pia is a neutral guy, somebody who stands in the middle. He is not somebody who wants to affiliate himself with any political group or entity. Okay. I say and go focus. It's also very, very unfortunate. But we emanate na kumamba from.
Okay. Finally, we because what was our sports and I say what the sports abeji egwana wi no na we just sports for na to us basically be pempino and na politicians e be use sports ye top board chenko for onyanya kunya wi pe sports ye ntene ka bi onei we wese na national teams ne si ko ene niam e koso sports mo Ghana enye too palatable e we hihya ye guso dim asi ho ana say e beto aso
Omo nim ezenim some me sports person. Oba be fear me about sports no. Yen kakere ho. And what on the FNED. And see, I'm a sports person. I'm a bobo. Na me a sports person. Man me son na me old school no so. Na me sports. And me pe ball pa. Na me pe sports in general. And nya dey be jai. Ye tosa boa ama. Me be ya support sports especially in Kofodia bia. Yeah, Manakoso. Yeah, dream was Yamakofodia in the area of sports and especially soccer. The bomb price ever day, the wine. Now you have opportunity, no. Now I say we are constituency. Ya prim punto in that area. Abekofodia mine.
Okay. Eastern region, enye kufodi an kra enkwa any Premier League club ya. Oba division 1 division 2 na niam anwene sen e honom. Menim say no so I get to you I mo dadwene da. Say kufodi nya Premier team.
Ye ka say do akiri pa ansa na friend saying kosi apia issues ni ba ye me George free he shared several times in discussions. And Kofodia Stadium, no, we say, and we see the next 1 year, we have to start something immediately. I'll see a bigger team be Kofodia attitude because being the regional capital, I was seeing a lady be not really a push star particular agenda. At least we have to get at least a regional team in the Premiership. Any whooper, see a bobo, not who team be a fish. From saying we have to correct that wrong and maybe be a bit to make sure we bring a team in the
Okay. Honorable Michael Ochrebefi, yɛbɛda wase sɛ nwumere ahobrɛase kwan so agye pene ne atwen komo na wakyerɛ otrimpo edema East Region ene Kofodua Pieman tem dwumadi a ewu so ekoso among the youth. Nyame adom ɛbɛto aso na watwen komo saa na yɛtimi a try sɛ yɛbɛma matimi ama saa focus yi awo ho afebɔ. Yɛda ase sɛ woni edin sa so anu nwumere.
Mɛsɛ da se pa nyame hyira.
Okay, nyame hyira nso so.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. It's Honorable Michael Ochrebefi ana otene kano ono executive secretary of Ghana Free Zones Board ana nanwada ono so de ne hyehye 18 pm so sedu briefly yenkwe.
Yeah, Minto aso ana. Okay, so like I was saying, let me be said my committee no mo committees mo form ye. Mo tua mo ka. Mo ya recommendations mo on various subject areas. Various areas of the game no recommendations no omo di adwuma na omo ye adwuma and then this is the referees report amikuta wa ha. I have other ones but we will talk about them later. Recommendation referees committee na Mr. Kudefiano edano no report on the recommendation for payment of allowance to referees. One, or say regular payment of allowance and crowd open into year fan say a regular or say regular change answer b or say allowances should be paid directly to the referees using their bank account. Such payments must be made within 48 hours after referees had duly submitted submitted his or her report. Mbacho, you started competition how many hours ni referees no be and find report nko this is a more recommendation ama form committee so onye o na we kwa yan fanya adwuma referees committee o mo akasa ma form atwa ni paka mo fanya adwuma and you think they can do something. When I see people say before normalization committee or everyone, I say you are tickling yourself and laughing about things. I saw what you are now watching that I say was scary but now de. So those who think that this normalization committee is going to reform Ghana football and make it better no, this is Omankasa recommendation ma form committee sa committee ni nya adwuma no mo fan hwɛ so ansesa Ghana football no omo cramp omo da kwache shells mu the recommendation. Let me continue. Or see, the setting up of a referees department by the Football Association is long overdue. For the avoidance of that, we refer you to the FIFA regulations on the organization of refereeing in FIFA member associations, which is attached to this report. Wale, FIFA report on refereeing. You're spending like 2 weeks or so on this show. And yes, education. And then if you know omo committee no omo form on the account so me refer you and they attach the copy of that document say the account wa mamo mo find formal referees department but referees department na ya formal referees department no you formal here. And the FIFA regulation on refereeing is very clear and specific and direct on what to do in terms of in case of refereeing. Have they done it? This is their own recommendation. This is their own report. Otu aswa or see introduction of early warning system, which means referees to report any official or person who will try to influence them. A reward scheme must be instituted for the referees who report issues to match manipulation. But what is a referees no ya do ma kokos bi and ya from my meeting ya catch me say this is what mamo, these are the benefits, these are the rewards ya mamo in case of you if we report of any side what this one mo report to. And you more meeting document or Mankasa referee ad hoc committee e got nice over that 1 month e gi ho per diem ni nyama e je bread normalization committee and na make kan recommendation na make kan wo ba se a 6.4 me bo points no those who worked on the document will understand that this is a true document I'm reading not me bo meeting 6.4 who say tama ye form madam Odofole madam Akonolu squeeze e bo points bi and or say let's do the outcome and see the possibility. So 6.4 say expected outcome 4. What is the right level and structure of compensation for referees? Now, so this is their answer. This is the recommendation by the committee, the Kudofianu led committee. What's say 1? There should be a dedicated inflow of cash to pay referees.
Dedicated.
Or say there should be a dedicated inflow of cash to pay referees.
There should be.
Yes.
It has never been.
Until I see
committee yeah can say referees here omusika nya asema ya so adwen ho enya afuna beka sponsor bi mbae enya asema beka ban sika bi mbae I was say Canada ho dedicated as Canada no untouchable
etwa to de da
ye twa to so that's a recommendation so me reading the biemu a
oh yati ase
maji ase to me come anim
go ni
so moving on referees should be paid directly but you dey moving on punishment or see there should be 5-year minimum ban for referee obedi your friend saying referees in tell me about what is say your free be cry bisana say then go on live ban after receiving an initial 5 years ban. These are recommendations. We are not seeing any of these things. Obama baby obisa or say it is presently as it is presently there is no mechanism of assessing referees except to rely on the match commissioner's report, which is sometimes misleading with regard to the performance of a referee. That practice is not acceptable. Even so, if match commissioners were to be the ones assessing the performance of referees or reporting on events concerning the match, then such appointees must be persons of high integrity with proven track record. They must demonstrate a high level of understanding with regard to the FIFA laws of the game in force. They must as well meet certain requirements to be a match commissioner. With regard to the revisions and additions required, we need to have a complete data management system to track the performance of referees. Mbacho Omobi. Utwaswa must have referees as assessors appointed as for matches. Matches here, what's your match assessor, referees assessor koda. Yeah, me anapa so kind ubo referees for Ochina.
Ebi okrampo kra.
Uti match assessor.
They are loopholes. Ensino referees omo dem ban loopholes.
Nti no what match assessor da. What say the obi akoso nko match assessor. Have qualified match assessors appointed for matches. Me say week 7 year kon what be that. So mami conclude my penalty as my can be. Me say committee no report no dey come NC no eno ye dey aye adwuma na. Maka say I will continue when you finish.
Okay, mami enko retired referee Thomas Nunu ho na o treasure Edema Referees Association of Ghana. Emisa nsesen and the city man no. Ref ye mo adwo. Bibia bo kodie. Ase online mu nhye da anye papa. Ase line nye too clear. Am say afi na eba. Afi na line egeda momentum. Na afi. Okay. Ye from you man kitade bone. Ye hwe referees edi matches kakra fine. Am say 7th week mu ye rai. Enya dia omusika sem etian santo ye. We ye retired FIFA we retired referee. We ye treasure edema omutwumadi a omugusu dim. Menu ase do dem a while ago ye fell no. Na or kind some of the recommendations are wo te abidwakosi ehwe referees nsem no. Wo de bai normalization committee nankasa intimi hwe MY emasa recommendations here waye on starting year won adwuma empo na pese se emfanse we mugya wo mo bia wa betoa so e odwumadi a wo mo edimu etisen situation nankasa tsen.
That's all. And the Christian representative, in our kind, a fear of but where they are, dreams not to say, Colano, Jomo, Classic. If you are not every 40 on the sea and Colano direct into the banking account details. But then our kind from right from my day one. If you don't look at the first thing, after every match, they are a little back. If you come at a report nearby, who see an account. Back to now, almost a minute. Yeah, you need to put me and so we are not communicated anything to us. Secondly, you have no more time, they catch on the scum so which you are left is not almost to some at that meeting and we still have money. The why we want the opportunity. This year, until we are putting all these things together. We are organizing ourselves to go and meet them near catch up because there are a lot of agitation around this year. Now, all 3 years, now they say you're more, no, now only today. We don't want that. The same issues are, every hand collaging, and heavy, go within the market. Now that is the same thing that are coming back. For 6 months, 6 months is up, 6 we are putting in now, all 2 to 1. So how do you want the people? For how long can you stamp them like that? So for how long? Obobusi okra okoba We are almost 3,000, 4,000, 5, 6. So they need to sit up. We want to meet them and talk things over with them.
Where Sananema is here, will there ever be a change? Or the share Sanema between their forecasting to the future? Will there ever be a change?
There was that. It's not a matter of will there ever be. There must be that is the essence of the normalization. In the first place, it means the change. All the old things from which we say, no person who is you can't say in the old system, me forever. Mood is coming my within 3 days, no, because we know that we pay them through the regions and their districts. According to on individual business, we do have a problem. The bottom line is that move for musical now. You're having problems with the bank account. The bank account figures. I mean, normally, if you say yes, but this time, also we put systems in place to get the bank transfers and things. So that automatically, never will tell you what 3 matches. We tell you also tell you that match basically, match physically, what tell you. And come to look only one, and I don't say, who call ya, we call here, talk only say, what I mean, I like much, we call ya, and it's what I and so you understand, but one more, I would say, social media may come with almost any stuff from government. Now, one is just getting government by, and I mean, once as a condition.
Enti Asemu reference say scanning massa na munye bi we na mode ko mu so ko
it's pathetic. Omo bobo musia so mo edin ye dima e yo no ni say you sakra wo ho na no akọ yaba no the bank because you say earlier on say for how long can this be sustained? For how long? Obi ko e yo we o money match o sinan yo ko if you are crack or that 2 nights, or and then or partner match, or year of that, in and out of transport, obesity, and that kind of thing. I don't know being sympathetic with these young people. Bank, I'll be crammed for your baby or say, yes, after 1 month, I'll be your automatic. I mean, I also call this matters. Nanka, you're car, I'm not end. It's so bad. So, what is the essence in the first place of disgracing all those people? That you are over, that you are putting pride on. What is the nothing has already finished. So, much years, Manofiona, or Mofa, Dumanomai, of Koyamadi.
Until we the whole process, yeah, from improve and answer a deteriorating instead. And literally, I mean, we don't know the actual word we have to use for it. The thing is actually at a standstill. And call it and ban it. Say call left to say call right to use it. I don't know. It's a word for banner to use this guy. And this but nothing has happened. Nothing really good has happened. But this is normalization. We need to be now war. It's so forward. And we are not taking even one step backwards. And I about 30 miles back. Retired referee Thomas Nunu Treasure, Edema Referees Association of Ghana. But I say you bring Brasil Council. Okay, you. It's Adamu. Proper chair. A few minutes be now.
Yeah, I think say yeah, maybe brainty. You between the sea na like the question I asked. Yeah. Or nankasa no formal committee no. I say NDC for omuye white paper. Efa debe Jamafe commission. Now omo afa anya adwuma. Na mo expect NPP for say adwuma. Me say then we a politician now obeka wasma. I will not give you that chance. But one person now we form one person now we boka a year adwuma who are you who expect to be from. Summarization committee the same thing summarization committee for here. Committee mo bo hu dey wo e form here a year hu unveiling to say and I'm sure that will be the key report am dey come afifa ye bo adwuma. Now that report that mo anim ene mo fanya adwuma.
Oni masem ye nika normalization committee over the weekend no omu ba kwa bo agya documents na gu sport bi okay sport for no afro mo ka chiro say omuja document no nti obi hu oluboy komodo ne telephone number was into your friend nipa no ana me intercept that conversation no efa normalization committee no adwuma ma ye nyina no obi aboa koja atola pass over odi for the sake of for the benefit of evidence into no odi tie sa phone go yi.
Asempa FM.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My pastor, you know GFA.
Asempa FM.
About 2 weeks me over La Paz. So be jail some normalization committee Saudi.
Fire.
Asempa FM.
The brown paper. The human major. But I don't think so. Nipa corner about no jail.
Asempa FM.
Different numbers now. I'm the registration of teams. And the normalization committee, GFA, is in that.
Asempa FM.
I'm the wood any Olympics or something. Yeah, extra capacity. Very 2 weeks. If I can't balance pass, no be jail.
Over here, dear.
Asempa FM.
Over here, dear.
Oh, yeah, was sport people no, but now, say I'm so, but now, and you'll be the plan on no man.
Asempa FM.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Asempa FM.
What's it?
Me call up as a economy.
Asempa FM.
Say,
Yeah, the new was right.
Asempa FM.
Different files. From things in your home. And see the answer, file be answer more better.
Asempa FM.
I'm sorry. If I call an up soon, that's what I'll be first say.
Asempa FM.
Lines numbers. Oh, dear, one for the video.
Okay, me call officer. I'm going to the top. So, I have 5 years.
Okay.
That's right.
That's my dad.
Idi Adamu enkomo a me intercept here fast a yede be bo Ghana football no obi akọrin san la pass o normalizing committee nkofo ni bi akọrin san la pass o eja documents ni dey go ntina nyo kenkan na omuni obi eja ato nsan
nti ene publication bi of 442ga.com say referees plot to boycott second round of the Ghana Premier League.
Okay.
Na miwe no referees head do the bra any incrophobia is not true. And I'm going to say omada some na egu abontin me so intercept the same conversation bia.
Okay.
Media and there WhatsApp and I'm intercepting.
Okay.
Nti mbesi me read some few portion mouth here. Or say but we honestly will have to advise ourselves not rushing to start or officiate second round without knowing when our money invested in the already going to be paid. At least we must be given the first before starting the second. Still remains to be known when these monies will be paid.
Yeah, can you know? How the following so catch Asemo catch a kobini.
But enkomo bi ni nam framam dia eba ene se na pese ojai normalization adwuma no a che se yesi pressure efiri ukunu ho eba pressure efiri eye wabusua ho eba ene se ebeya nkaja adwuma no na sebe ko uchemba ho na kobo adwuma mesira wada sansen we senate
Kobe, honestly I am sure this is the first time I'm hearing it.
Na se onti bibisa se enkofo ka se opese ujaya adwuma no.
Kobe, we have 1 month to go. I can't expect 6 weeks to say. I mean, we are really when you're true. Exactly. Oh, Kobe.
But it is saying DNT ebeba se enkofo ba dwen se ebia na opese ujaya adwuma no kra.
Could be in a very short time in public life. Me who say Ghanaians, either we eat too much sugar or we have very fertile imagination. Honestly. And it's a secret no door to kakra. And yes, and I'm not doing no. I don't know. Kobe, this is so strange. I mean, all the thing to hear. Oh, Kobe, please. Kobe, I never every Valentine's Day.
Mommy, we serious. We serious.
Reforms na no know. Reforms na no know.
Gana for ideas each do. When ka medical doctor can any problem. But I say we a lawyer.
Lawyer.
Say a kasa de. Lawyer for mo dwuma pa no. How be kasa ba dwene asem na wo kan ho yi. Na wa ye. Na no ko be friend TV. Almost be interview no. Also 1990s mo no sa. We dancer. Nothing related to sports. No sa we dancer. Nti ma no kwan no fa airtime no sa. Kobe suja airtime man no saya. Journalism be dey kono no. I mean 1990 dancer. Na zone to ni akada ina ba. Mami 1990s that time na sa.
Okay, break obesa break end.
Mami as a platform. Osa. We mu ana Georgia kwese fie ni titi bode.
Crazy
omo yade.
We mu dia no mo ye. Now you see, I think say well, Ebiana sisi a money football for ndin komo e okokwa mu ayenim.
Oh, because again stated that George can say we ma information ade ba kwa am say no still a problem.
It's a problem. And you see mami football for no o ma so nti say see do 1st June. Na see started district level elections omu say normalization committee and then see ani ha meji sia meji ni prophetic in action me prophesy me say omu kan hu ni say see do 1st June na yen start election e wo district level omu kan hu say normalization committee be send another extension see do 1st June from 1st June na yen bo ayen hu say o e bi ochina and next week ye koye district elections normalization football for hu say normalization committee on be send another term.
Okay,
enti so omu pese normalization committee for iko we proper football management and running Ghana within this week and next week no omuma ye the roadmap leading to election because next week now omotwa 1 month naka May, June, July, August, September naka 5 months and that 5 months no they must call Congress, they must let everybody know what or see what is in the new statutes who we are, then the recommendations as Congress one by no Omako review aba. So all these things must be done within the month in May. So that by 1st June, FIFA approve Congress material no. So that we put the election modalities. And the election modalities no any roadmap I make count. The modalities near say yes, while as we are koko, we jina, because no we are short, untimi jina and now we did here, okoko uni binti untimi jina. Aha.
Okay.
That is the modalities.
Okay.
And that at least by the middle of June elections will start. But some women now say do 1st June MC ya football for who say normalization committee on beko biem.
Okay, mami fa we see ya. Also Wale, I like your intro keke. We I say call inside Prestia Bondaye. Wale ni komo de ba no. My student here see the but na eboa e ma niam etia koyi. As a prof, I think the fellow went to the drinking spot to take in coke, Fanta or kebab. Being at the drinking spot doesn't mean taking in alcohol. George Sutum. George, why do you worry yourself to defend this? What problem is saying? Wale, I like your intro. And only as some obidiaba. Obi say, I say, Wale, you are doing a great work for Mother Ghana. Keep it up. But then I'm having a match in my room. But half time from Koku Asalam down. And also the way Abba say when you match your born also good evening Wallace. Okay, we say prof. In fact, this is where I can't think far. You said someone has destroyed our football for 13 years. Meanwhile, the person was in office for 13 years, so they want to tell us he did nothing when he was in power. If that is so, then 20 years of NC will be worse than 13 years of Nyantechi upon what I'm seeing now. Bebeto from Kumasi Breman and also Ediabija Kode Ewahanoko. Hi Prof, Uncle T is right. Insult is in both politics and football is too much. Wefi Israel Bena, United States of America, and all the way Eba. Say, hey, he said that the move still blaming the NC for not paying the referees after Musho helped him with the correct fact this morning, which made him swallow his word. What is the fact? How come I say more?
Fact, no, I say abiding for Musika mine. Is that what the recommendation said? But recommendation, no. Me read the document. I mean, come at you. Me read the documents. Recommendation, man, because Alpha Committee,
Don't worry yourself. As my mentor keep up the good work. I'm Jojo from Medina, and also the way Abba Elkude Ewaha Banana Eddie Abba. Osi so down Kokuyabua comment was in reference to the journalists who were defending KN Nyantechi in is now 10 attackers of the NC. Well, I can't rubbish it, but that means he was paid when he was attacking the KN administration. The reality is that the NC has failed to live up with Banana. Thumbs up, Wallace, and your queue. Was Resa Sandy Apeso on the Jumedia Udimu. Doreen, and so Jumedi. And I feel George, and so the about the prof. I'm listening to your show. Nice interview with George and TT Brothers, George Maffo, and our Odesan Kumui Abba. Rita, and so the photo be Abba. Fantastic. Good evening to you, Prof. The sports president. Let's give the local players the chance. Doesn't better players at least we should okay. I'm so can't be say M5 local based players and count European players. A champion Lakeside Estate and the way by the message by meeting Canina. Hi Wale. Good evening. I like the way you do your program, but today it seems you want to push TT to the wall. Anyway, welcome back from your good work. God richly bless you, Frank from Bronx, and also the way Abba Amadou. And so at once I say, or the Abba High Keke on Fashion and Kahon. I say, good evening, Prof. TT Brothers. I said it all. This is Michael from Abeka, St. Lawrence, and also the Abba. Good evening, Wale. In fact, your interview with George is fantastic, Prof. You do all. Greetings to my boss, Alice Nyako, and also the Nkomui Abijakude. Prof, good evening, Wallace. In fact, the message, ne kind bedding, move apart, meeting Kankani, Ewanum. But Shanusmami said, no. Coftown any Zukau, Omone call final no. Ewo game my basso, Ewo Methodist Park, Coftown any Zukau, any Zungu for the coil, Umbo 22, and a Zungu for the penalty, be Zukau for no, Eddie Fimu, our Kinsin. It's Zungu for ya dear, Omde Takashi, Nibugabu Ganasa, Zungu, one American man here, Zungu, one Osaja for Dr. Haruna of blessed memories, one not here, Zungu, Furia Zungu. The capital of all the Zungus in Ghana. Omi ade pa. Ko United for so transema Kotoko bitwa mekaba ko na bi Keita na dama wona share ayi Kotoko go ndi mom. Na Ko United a imama dia mom Kotoko kwa ade dia man so be she go ama ba ko pena otimi share nkoma eno so abano. Obisa Prof, you always make me happy when you are behind the microphone. God bless you. Dave from Kaswa New Market and Dave anyway Abba Jekum from say good evening Prof. I'm watching you live from Lagos. Niger and also the way about. Hello, good evening. My name is Enoch from Kaswa. Please can you help me with the format for the normalization committee special competition? When lunch is ready, don't be late. Dada Cash say, Prof, good work, fire, more fire, and only as someone also Ediaba. Also, Wale, you do all. You know we can't compare a player who is playing 90 minutes in the NC special competition with a player who is on bench in the championship. Their training is more competitive than our league. Brother from Sprinters, not the way. I say, how can I watch live on Facebook? Oh, here, call Asempa 94.7 on Facebook. We search up and say, we search for I say, I think the money the government is sending some of the supporters, Egypt is bad. Powers, Jamestown, Kotoko supporters, group chairman, and also the way Abba. Messages in the dorsum, meet me in Kenny, a fat chairman, man kind of the Minya Daja, my son, the Akanet and Sabekan. Michael O'Kine, ever kind home, and I stayed at the moon, and swinging the few cobaya, and then she say 18 bar. Ube Pima, right time in your Akako or my, and in Tea Raymond and the Messi Coswa. Cobrukua in a chrono or any will go on, Wabai Juma. Right, I will Ufi a votarage, Mukomo Sissy. A kono no mai kobru kru ahene wono aba abedu kruma right aguzuti kruma onya mai Philip 2 AK47 the gunshot man ana afi so Kobe the scavenger and the wonderful members of the community immortal kwameja kwa champion so no nam ha but sure say bia ba na wode wadum ti nyame adoma ne aka ne do so gifty anti watari efe to the city what done India niba and you know that here ebeboa ama wakoso ayi India niba why timidi the ino kwesi wala nyawalas mosquito na beji na chira doctor na ne bo ama ana afin so kwa burukuru ahene ana mere akai omo eba bedi eti koso am afide na still Asempa Asempa 94.7 FM. The act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.